Welcome back. New chairman of the Horticulture Corporation, Kiran Kandolkar, has assured that he will initiate inquiry into the alleged scams in the corporation during Sankalp Amonkar's tenure. He said that suppliers' complaints of low-quality vegetables will be tackled on priority. Kandolkar took charge on Wednesday.
TV MLA Kiran Kandolkar took the charge as the chairman of Horticulture Corporation on Wednesday. He had a meeting at the office in Panji. Agriculture Director Sachin Tendulkar welcomed him. Kandolkar assured that the inquiry will be initiated against the alleged scam by the former chairman of corporation Sankalp Amonkar.
हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशनाचो फाटलो जो चेअरमॅन आसलो हाणेन जे कितें घोटाळे करून दवरलेले आसा जो संकल्प आमोणकर हो चेअरमॅन आसलो हाणेन जे कितें व्हडले व्हडले घोटाळे करून दवरलेले आसा एके रातीन सगळे सप्लायरांक ताणेन बंद केल्ले हाची डिटेल इन्क्वायरी जातली.
Kandolkar will also address complaints of poor vegetable supply by the corporation.
माझ्या थिवी मतदारसंघान म्हणत म्हापशा एरियान म्हणत वो ज्या जाग्यार हांव रावता काणक्या भागान शिवोले मतदारसंघान हांगासर जायते सप्लायर आमचे शॉपकिपर्स आहा जे वेजिटेबल विकतात हांच्यांनी म्हाजे कडेन कंप्लेंट केल्ली आसा. ही आतांच न्हू हेच्या पयलीं केल्ली आसा की जी वेजिटेबल गोंया पासत हॉर्टिकल्चराच्या थ्रू सप्लाय जाता एक खूब लो क्वालिटीची आसा म्हणून.
Government has also appointed 7-member board of directors. Our video journalist Dinesh Karpe with Rohan Da Costa.
3 passengers from Karwar have been detained at Lolian railway station on Wednesday. Passengers and Konkan police had a clash over frequent breakdown of car train plying from Karwar to Madgaon. Angry passengers blocked the railroad for almost 3 hours. Agitated passengers have threatened to block railway on Thursday if they don't get a written assurance.
The situation became tense at the Lonia railway station on Wednesday as the car train travelling from Karwar to Madgaon broke down. There was a clash among the passengers from Karwar and Konkan police as angry passengers blocked the rail route protesting against the frequent breakdowns. 3 passengers were detained by Konkan police under section 151 of preventive arrest. Passengers claim that this has become a regular affair. They claim that almost 400 to 500 people travel from Karwar to Goa on a day-to-day basis for work purpose.
कारवारचे भुरगे आसा न्ही 500 पोरां कामां वयतात गोंया वयतात गोंया ते 5 ते 6,000 रुपये पेमेंट आहात तेमकां गेल्यानंतर महिन्यातल्यान ही ट्रेन आमकां 5-6 पटी प्रॉब्लेम करता हर एक पटी 5 पटी महिन्यात 5 टाइम आमी अब्सेंट पडटात कामाचेर ते 5,000तल्यान आमकां 5 दीस अब्सेंट पडल्यानंतर आमकां कितें पेमेंट मेळटलो आनी असो अन्याय करतो हा आमचेर जे तुमी आम सारके कचऱ्या प्रमाणे ही पटी आतां सांजे मध्ये हाटस जाल्यार.
They have demanded a replacement of a car train.
आता नेक्स्ट आमी तर रायटिंग आता दिल्लो आमकां आज आमी फाल्यां कारवार बंद करून येता ऑफिसर आमी कारवार
रायटिंग दिवन जाल्यार तुमी फाल्यां कितें करतले?
कारवार ट्रेन बंद करतले.
खंयची ट्रेन बंद करतले?
ट्रेन बंद
ही ट्रेन बंद कर राजधानी बंद करतले. कारवार मडगांव ती ट्रेन हाडून दवरतले फाल्यां.
A reporter from Lolian, Babesh Borkar.
Relaxation in house tax in panchayat areas will have an impact on the income of some of the panchayats. Tuya Panchayat is one of them. House tax is their major source of income. Watch our special report on Panchayat Satya.
This is Tuya Panchayat. This Panchayat runs with some funds from the government collection, house tax and income from some industries. House tax is the major sources of income to this Panchayat. Sarpanch of this Panchayat, Vijay Lakshmi Naik, is not happy with the government's decision of relaxation of house tax to the houses in Panchayat area.
आता एक गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान एक कायदो काढला की हाऊस टॅक्स घेवपाचो न्हू हाऊस टॅक्स घेवपाचो न्हू जाल्यार पंचायतीक इनकम कांयच मेळचें ना. तेका लागून हो जो कायदो आसा तो बदल करपाचो त्या कायद्याचो कित्याक ना जाल्यार पंचायतीक आनी इनकम तशें व्हडलेशें कांय मेळना.
Moreover, the developmental wants are on rise in the village with the increasing population.
आता आमचे घरा वाढत आसा तेका लागून उदकाचो लायटीचो हो एक व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम आसा. उदकाची पायपलायनीचो प्रॉब्लेम तोच कितल्याशाच वर्सांची पायपलायनी आहा ते फुटत असतात आनी लोकांक इतलो प्रॉब्लेम जाता तेका लागून ती सुद्धा न्यू पायपलायन घालपाची.
Tuya Panchayat has built a Panchayat Ghar through RDA. With the Panchayat elections around the corner, it would be a challenge to the new Sarpanch to run the panchayat without house tax collection. Our reporter from Tue, Vinod Mehtar.
It's prudent media impact all over the state. Sangli MLA has assured Netravali Bridge on priority basis. Tone flag at the C-Scan Maritime Academy at Chikali is replaced within 24 hours and the master balancing reservoir at Chikali is finally repaired. Prudent media had highlighted these issues through our special reports. Authorities took cognizance thereafter. Watch Prudent Media Impact.
Prudent had highlighted the violation of Flag Code of India by C-Scan Maritime Academy at Chikli on 23rd April. Academy had hoisted the torn Indian national flag. Academy replaced the flag early morning on 24th of April. It's a prudent media impact. Prudent media had highlighted plight of people struggling at Netravali for a bridge on 18th April. Local MLA Subhash Desai has taken cognizance of it. He has assured that this bridge will be built on priority basis. It's a prudent media impact again.
5 कोटी आमचे ऑनरेबल CM मनोहर भाईन जेन्ना 5 कोटीची कितेंय कामां दी म्हणली आनी जी प्रायोरिटी आसा लोकांच्या गरजेची आसा तातूंत भितर हांवें हो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटीन म्हणजे फर्स्ट काम हें हांवें डिक्लेअर केलें की हो ब्रिज रोखडोच जावपाक जाय गेले येता त्या वर्सा भितर तो ब्रिज कंप्लीट जावपाक जाय सादारण ते 30 मिटराचो ब्रिज ताजे स्पॅन अशे 3 स्पॅनाचो एक ब्रिज जावपाक जाय जाणे करून हे लॉंग पेंडींग जे इतके वर्सांचे लोकांचे हाल आसात ते हाल पयस जावपाक जाय भुरग्यांक शाळेक वचपाक मेळपाक जाय.
Prudent media had also highlighted sorry state of master balancing reservoir at Sankwal on 28th of March. The unclean and unmaintained state of MBR was exposed. Now the reservoir is clean and the corroded pipelines are changed. A prudent media impact. Our reporter from Netravali, Mayur Naik, and from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.